To actually verify that triangles are similar, it turns out there are a number of really interesting and important and easy to apply theorems that will come in handy. The first one is called the angle-angle similarity theorem. So it's abbreviated just AA. And it makes a lot of sense. Let's take a look at it together. So if two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, then in fact the two triangles are going to be similar. Now, why does this theorem make some sense? Well, because think about it. If we know that this angle and this angle are congruent, then we know their measures are equal. If these two angles are congruent, their measures are equal. That's good to know. And we know that the total sum of the measures of the angles of a triangle is going to be 180 degrees. Similarly for here. And so this sum would therefore equal this sum, since the measure of these angles correspondingly are equal. So therefore, the value of this third angle is going to actually have to be the same in each case. And so we've got angle, angle, angle. And that's, we know angle, angle, angle is a way of showing similarity. So in fact, that shows that these things are going to be similar. Let's take a look at an example where we can use angle, angle. So we're given this picture of these two triangles, and I want us to see if we can show the two triangles are similar. Let's take a look. Well, I see that angle B and angle D are right angles. So of course we know all right angles are congruent. So these two things are congruent. That's great. Any other angles that we know for sure have to be equal? Well, the answer is yes, in fact. This angle and this angle actually have to be congruent because they are vertical angles. We have two straight lines coming together. And so this angle and this angle form a pair of vertical angles, and we know that a pair of vertical angles, each of those angles are going to be congruent to each other. So therefore I've got angle, angle, so angle, angle congruent to each other. Therefore we see that these two triangles are in fact similar. Similar. Okay. I think, let's just think about that. Similar triangles just by angle, angle. Pretty great. All right. I'll let you go.